FICMRepair.com. We're all in this together.
Hey, over here at FICM Repair. Here to talk about your fuel filter cap. So you have a black plastic cap. And the problem with the black plastic cap is it likes to crack. Now there is in the center of that, there is a deal. You can just take your extension or your ratchet junk and stick it right in the middle of the hole. Please don't do that. Oh my God, please don't. What you want to do instead is you want to go ahead and use, well, we have this socket right here. And you want to use, this is like a 28 millimeter, and you stick it on there and it grabs the outside edge, and your cap will never break as long as you go on the outside. If somebody before you did go on the inside and it cracked, your way around that is to take 2 chisels operating on either side, and you just dig into the top of the plastic and hit it with a hammer, tink, 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 and it'll unscrew. But what a hassle, right? Just avoid the problem by using a little flip socket like this. So if you are like, man, that sounds like a pain in the butt, it sure is. So if you wanted to migrate to an aluminum cap, you'll never have this problem. And so you just grab the aluminum cap and go on, and then it's threaded in the top for fuel pressure, so you can go ahead and check that as well. So it's more than just dressy, it more than just looks cool. There's actually a function. So if you wanted to give that a whirl, you certainly could, okay? Like and subscribe, watch some of our other videos, and we're all in this together. Thanks very much.